Hi, welcome to Draw Plans. I'm Tom Norris, and today we're going to learn how to add the north point to our drawings. Almost every application or planning application that we make will require a north point added to the layout plans to make it legal, or otherwise if we don't have the north point, these plans won't be accepted. So the same applies to land registry plans and various other plans, so you really do need to learn how to add the north point as soon as possible. So what we're going to do here is I've managed to prepare this is a layout plans for a particular property, and we've already added the north point. But to show you how we get to north point, I'm going to open up a tab in Google. Bear with me, I'm going to get the address first. I think that might be useful. So if I get that address and then I open up a Google tab and type it in, and we look at the map. Where are we? So where are we? South Bank, we're up here. Right, now let's get the house. 19 Sunnybank. It's this particular property here. So now you can see, sometimes we'll do it on satellite, so we can see the actual layout of the property. Wow, here we are. So sometimes the numbering is wrong, so you got to be careful. But it's this property here, that's number 19. And as you can see, north is up. So what we tend to do then is we get, best way of doing this is to minimize here. We use multi-screens, so life gets easy for us, but as in if you don't have a couple of screens, then it can be a little bit tiresome to do it, but nevertheless you still achieve it. Let me get rid of this one. I'll pop it down there for a moment. So I'm going to make a copy of this and just do it here. And now what I'm going to do is to turn it into the direction of north. So take off to get the same direction, and we know it's this house here, so that's lining up front entrance. Oh no, it's the other way around. Yeah, so you got to be careful. That right? Nope, wrong way around. So get it so that it matches up. That's your front entrance, and that's your front at the top, front at the top. So now we get the north point, and we also make that tip north. So now, as you can see, this drawing and the house is absolutely accurate. So what we do after that is we then turn it around and we turn the layout plan with the north point so that the north point is actually showing correctly. You get that? So that north point is now showing correctly for that property. Test it again. Oops. Sorry, I got the jitters there for a second. Just make that big so we know what we're doing. Right, so now I'm going to turn the property so that it looks and in the same direction as this one. Just a touch down. going to turn this one so that it's pointing north. Pop it there. And then I'm going to turn them all in the direction of our plans here. So that's your north point. Just move your north point over. You can be done with that. Get rid of Google. And I think we can rescale that one. So before you rescale, just keep aspect ratio. And there you go. Okay. That wasn't too hard, was it? But it is important learning. Sometimes, you know, there's no information available to show you how to do these little things, but it's an essential part of drawings. Every planning application we submit, every drawing we do for land registry or drop curb removal or anything, they always have to have the north point added. And that's how we create the north point and add it to our plans. So, short tutorial, but an essential one. So hopefully you got some value out of it. Hopefully you'll now know how to add your north point. And incidentally, if you don't have a north point image, then go off and search it in Google. You can get CAD blocks and download numerous north points. Do you want me to try? Well, let's see if we can do it right now. Let me open up Google again. We go north point, see CAD blocks, and there you go. So cadblock.com, yeah, they're pretty good. So all we got to do now is download CAD blocks. As you can see, they're coming. And I'll show you how we download that and how we deal with it. In fact, we'll go the other way. Let me look in downloads. So if I look in downloads, north arrow, more apps. Going to have to open it a different way, but that's not hard. So we open it this way, file, open, and we go to downloads, we go to all files, it's a DWG file, there you go. So now we've got it in CAD. So what we do is we file save as, and we save it in our, I'll show you where we save it, and you should have a folder, the same thing, and it's called clients, and up here it's CAD resources, and then we save north arrow, IMAGES. Now we've got a folder of loads of these, so we can just grab one of these anytime we want. So if we want to bring it into our drawing, let's just bring that one, Control C, we can close this drawing, and there you go. I want to make it a bit bigger, keep aspect ratio, there you go. Not rocket science, is it? Okay, hopefully you're well equipped now to add the north point to your drawings. Hopefully you've enjoyed the lesson, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.